Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking a hidden area to ensure dye won't run, because preserving the jersey matters. Next, apply low heat with a hairdryer for 20-30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Move the dryer constantly so fabric won't overheat. Once the glue is warm, slide a plastic card under an edge to lift the sticker a little. Make sure to keep the card shallow and steady. This reduces tearing and prevents printing damage as you gain purchase. Now you peel slowly and deliberately, using the card and your fingers together. This is how you control tension and avoid distortions. If the sticker resists, reapply heat for another 10-20 seconds, then dab 70% rubbing alcohol at the edge to break down adhesive. Once the sticker comes off, work alcohol into any residue and lift with the card. Repeat until tackiness is gone. Make sure to alternate heat and solvent in short bursts, because prolonged exposure can weaken fabric fibers. Finish by rinsing the treated area with cool water to remove solvent traces, then blot dry with a clean towel. Do not rub, or you risk smearing ink. After that, hand wash the jersey in gentle detergent and let it air dry flat. Avoid dryers and direct sun because heat can shrink or fade prints. If you notice any lifting of the printed logo, stop and consult a professional or consider a fabric repair patch. If adhesive persists, repeat targeted solvent cycles carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.